How to set up Amazon Fire Stick. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can completely set up Amazon Fire Stick. So to get started, the Amazon Fire Stick is a powerful little device that turns any standard TV into a smart entertainment hub. Whether you're into movies, live sports, kids content or music, the Fire Stick lets you access it all using both official and third-party apps. It's compact, easy to use, and great for anyone looking to cut the cord without sacrificing quality. So let's start by getting everything physically set up. First, locate the micro USB port and the HDMI connector on your Fire Stick. Plug the USB power cable into the micro USB port on the device and the other end into the provided power adapter. Once that's done, connect the power adapter to a wall outlet. Using the actual power adapter is important, as some TV USB ports don't provide enough power. Now, plug your Fire Stick into any available HDMI port on your TV. Turn on your television and switch the input to the correct HDMI channel. You'll see the Fire TV Stick logo as it begins to load. Don't worry if it takes a minute, that's completely normal during the first time setup. Now that the device is connected, it's time to set up your Fire Stick remote. Insert the 2 LED batteries included in the box. Once that's done, the Fire TV logo should appear again, followed by a prompt to pair your remote. If it doesn't connect automatically, just press and hold the home button for a few seconds until the device detects it. Once your remote is connected, click the play or pause button to kick off the setup. Next, select your preferred language from the list that appears and confirm your choice by clicking the center button on the remote's navigation ring. The device will then scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Choose your network, enter the password, and wait for the connection confirmation message. Once connected, the Fire Stick will begin checking for the latest updates, download them if needed, and restart itself to complete installation. You'll see the Fire TV logo again, followed by a finishing updates message once everything's ready. If you've reached this point successfully, let's move into part 2, setting up the Fire TV remote and Amazon account. If you purchase the Fire Stick using your Amazon account, it may already be registered to you. If not, you'll be prompted to sign in. You can use your phone or computer to go to amazon.com/code and enter the code shown on your screen to link your device. Once it's registered, Fire TV will confirm the setup and ask if you want to save your Wi-Fi password to your Amazon account for future use. If you've previously used the Fire TV device or reset your Fire Stick, you might also be prompted to restore your old data and settings. If it's your first time, this step won't appear. From here, you'll be asked to select your TV brand from a list to configure the volume control settings. When prompted, turn the volume up and down to make sure everything is working. If you can hear the music and the volume changes, confirm it, and your remote setup will be complete. Click OK to continue. At this point, Fire TV will ask you to confirm your default payment method. This is optional but useful if you plan on renting or purchasing apps, movies, or subscriptions later on. Now that the remote and account setup is done, let's move to part 3, setting up the Fire TV interface and personalization. You'll be asked if you'd like to enable parental controls. Choose the option that best suits your household. After that, Amazon might ask if you'd like to subscribe to product updates, news, and special offers. You can either subscribe or skip this step, then click Got it on the next page and continue to set up your Fire Stick user profile. Once all of this is complete, you'll land on the Fire TV home screen. This is where the fun begins. From here, you can install apps for movies, TV shows, sports, live channels, and more either from the Amazon App Store or by sideloading third-party apps if you choose to explore unofficial content. With everything now set up, your Fire Stick is ready to stream. Just grab the remote, sit back, and enjoy your new smart TV experience. That's it, and thanks. I'll catch you all in the next video.